I'm Dr. Creg Carpenter. As an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement, I focus all of my energies on providing the best possible outcome for you. At Chelsea Community Hospital, we're fortunate to have a dedicated orthopedic team of nurses, physician's assistants, and physical therapists. Orthopedics is what we do. From preoperative evaluation to postoperative recovery, our entire team works to offer the highest level of care. We encourage you to tell us about your needs and then follow our advice.